Well, welcome back to Living the Leach Life. It is Vlogmas day number 29, and we're starting here in our bathroom. This is what it looked like before, and by the end of today, this is what it will look like. Hang around and see what happens. All right, we are working on going to Habitat for Humanity, looking for a vanity and a few other things to work on our bathroom. So that's what we're doing for Vlogmas day number 29. Preparing to move to camp. So nothing really looked that great at Habitat for Humanity Restore, so we're gonna look online at Lowe's and Home Depot. Rob also sent me some actual pictures of vanities that he found while he was at Home Depot or Lowe's. I can't remember which one. These are what they looked like. What is this telling me?
Let's see what the condition of the wall like. So see where that's at, right about there?
Mm-hmm.
We can get by with just a light little rubbing of the sander.
Okay.
We're still going to have to use a higher profile trim, you know, up into here. But that's going to be about the high spot right there. So if we take this.
Well, what about the rest of the bathroom? I mean,
Well, I
it
don't
might
know.
not be that good all the way around.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying, this little ridge right here, we can knock this ridge out with the sander. We can paint it. It'll be okay.
Cool.
$15 in parts. Now the water actually shuts off.
Fun times. How's it going?
Walls are wiped down. I'm hitting sheetrock right now and put a little bleach on the floor and call it a night.
Cool.
It'll be warm enough in here, it'll dry out.
So this is where we ended. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you would like to be part of our Christmas card exchange or on our mailing list, please write us or send us a card.